way of manifestation. There is no rule about that.
You have to get the opinion of the members. You have to get the opinion of the members.
Do you get your members?
Yeah, of course. Let the members say their piece. Patapusin muna.
Hindi mo ba tayo nagsimula? Kasi simula lang natin
Eh, dapat kung nagsimula tayo.
Madam Chair, suggestion lang. May motion, si candidate. Magtanong ka kung may objection. Pero ma-object na deliberation. Para ma-deliberate. Yun. Let's follow the procedure. Pagdating tayo ng procedure. Oh, pag may objection, deliberation tayo.
Hindi po yun eh. Tinatanong kasi, sagutin ninyo if this community has the right to discard a well-kept tradition. Is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition? That is the question that needs to be answered first and foremost.
Pwedeng pitutin yung mic.
Nagtatanong po ako ba?
Incidental lang. Ako lang nag-incidental lang. Wala papasok sa mic natin.
To you, a long-standing, time-honored tradition. Ang tinatanong ko po, tradition po natin ito eh. Ang problema ay marami dito na yung point kaya hindi nila alam yung tradition. I am saying, Madam Chair, this was a tradition well kept for so long a time.
Follow the rules. We would have a motion introduced by a member. But it was an objection.
Bago po yung
Yes, but sabi din.
I was asking for an answer.
The answer is,
Yung answer niya, the history of tradition of
Sabi ko merong tradition, pinapaliwanag ko na sa inyo. Ang tinatanong ko,
Excuse po. Opo.
and it's extended at the start. At the start, it's extended before intervention. This is required because the measure is suspended, and it is also introduced by a member, which will be parts of the measure. So it's not a religion. There's no such authorization to set it aside.
magano na muna tayo para ma-record. Para ma-record. Wala na dapat tayo. Ang nangyari, a barrage of questions. That's why I'm asking, bakit natin ginawa yun earlier? Are we not already respecting the tradition? Well, kept going around. Hindi nga pinagtatanong kasi, meron pang prantinela, whatever, that is disrespect to the office of the President, Vice President. Kung ano na pinagtatanong niya sa ano. These questions never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you. It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, bakit nangyari po nung nakaraan, nangyayari na naman ngayon? You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all, because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President, and that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, Madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh, ibrang-ibrantinelo pa. Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Paglabing, because taong ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Nonini Castro. When the Vice President was Binay. When the Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kagad eh. Walang man lang...
You can read the records. You did not introduce.
Sana may motion siya ngayon.
That is the manifestation of the Constante Napolita, and it should be answered by the members. Motion. Then, after that, Napolita will not that motion. Hindi ba ka nasagot eh? Will you let this Napolita to speak? And then, move on to the motion. Sagutin muna. Sagutin muna yung motion.
You can introduce a motion but have a member.
No. Or move a motion. Parliamentary.
The rulings of the chair form part of the procedure. So, you have to answer the issue.
Sagutin muna.
Yes.
Then, saka mag-move.
Rulings of the chair form part of the rules because it will set a procedure. So if we will set a procedure now that we are discarding traditional courtesy, parliamentary courtesy, goodbye parliamentary courtesy. Wala na tayong parliamentary courtesy. Next.
Dapat members answer your query or your manifestation. Then, after that,
Hindi, chairman ang tinatanong ko, pera naman dapat. Member ang sasagot. The question is addressed to the chair. Why would the members answer that?
hey, so we don't have the authority to speak.
Kalokohan naman yung pinagsasabi.
Hey, why the chairman only speak? Di ba kami pwede magsalita? We are also member, we just the same. Dati alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Can the vice chair cannot answer your query if he has the answer? Pwede.
Pinag-uusapan natin ang chairman ang sasagot.
No. It is not only the chairman.
Bakit magsasalita ng ganyan?
Pero bakit? Hindi nagsalita na kayo. Kaya naman ito report. Pwede magsalita yung iba. Hindi pwede yung chairman lang. Di ba? Pwede mo yung dati. Sa parliamentary procedure in the House that the members cannot speak. Pwede. Okay. Ano yun ang chairman ng House?